What's going on? Let's get into it. Today I'm going to teach you about one of the most important things in trading. That is momentum. This is going to be a game changer. Alright, so we're here on US 30 and I'm just going to show you how momentum actually works in the market and moves. It's crazy. It will actually help you predict where the markets will go to. It will help you get a sense of when the markets will actually reverse. So this is a really important trick to use. So usually what I like to look at sometimes is I look at my MACD. Here are my settings and my inputs. It's all just default. I just took off the MACD signals and I just made it all one color, make it really simple. Green is for up, red is for down. So what I like to look at in the markets is actually when price is making, a bearish or bullish move, how strong is that move? That is really important to measure because you can determine where price will actually go to, because you can tell if price is losing momentum or you can tell if it's gaining momentum in a certain direction, and that will move the markets into a certain path. So I'm going to show you here real quick. We're going to start over here and we're just going to look at price is obviously in a downtrend here, but why? What happened? Okay, so what I like to do is I mark out the first red candle of this bearish push and the last one here. And what are we going to do? We're going to mark the very top candle, bring it all the way down to the very low candle. And this is our bearish move. This is how high we went and how low we went. This is exactly how bearish price was. And we can see, we can measure the actual pips. So this was 72 pips bearish. Okay, so why is this important? Well, you'll see in a second. So we can obviously see 72 pips. That's a lot of pips in this bearish move. So we know the market is pretty strong right now. So then we look at the next bearish move. Okay, here we go. This one's pretty bearish here, from there to there. We'll mark from the top candle to the very low candle here. So we were just 72 pips bearish, and now we are 46 pips bearish. So we're actually losing a little bit of bearish momentum. Okay, and then we'll look at the very next bearish move. So it's from this candle here to this candle here, and we mark from the top candle to the very bottom candle. And as you can see, you already know this is going to be very low. So we're only 13 pips bearish, not even, probably about 12 and a half pips bearish. So we just went from 70 pips to 40 to now 13. So we can see we're starting to lose that bearish momentum and the bulls are starting to take over. Well, this is really important. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how you can actually trade this momentum. So this is what I like to do. I will mark out the very top candle and I will take that bearish momentum box that we just made, right? And what I will do is I will take that box and put it on top of the line. Now this is our zone to pay attention to, because we know if price can break or push higher than that bearish momentum zone that we just marked, we're flipping now. We're starting to flip. And that's how we know bullish buyers and momentum is taking over. So as we can see, price now actually made a close right here and right here above. So if we mark this out, we can see price actually closed above our zone. So how I like to trade this is when price closes above, I wait for price to come back into our box area. So I will usually put a buy limit right there and have a nice little stop loss below the last low, or wherever you want to put it, wherever you're comfortable with. And as you can see, look at the bullish momentum that just followed that. And why? Because we had this huge break of bullish buyers take over. So right after that, we had this huge move of about 130 pips. And this is because we had that flip in the market. Now, if you can catch these flips, you can be very profitable. Okay, so we will look at that again. We have another area right here. So from this side here to this side here, we have a little bit more momentum come back in the market. So we have another 36 pip amount of momentum. But once again, if we stack that on top, spread that out, as we can see, price was strong enough to break above that, so it will continue higher. Okay, so now we'll keep doing that over and over again, right? So we see we mark from here to there, and we take the top candle to the very bottom candle, and let me just mark that for reference. And we take our box, stack it on top, and see now, as you can see, this is where we can start to see that the bullish momentum is starting to wear out because price wasn't strong enough to break above that area. And look what happens right after. We have this huge sell-off because now once again the bears are taking back over and the market is becoming bearish. So this is really unique, and there's a lot of opportunity to trade within this. So this is a cool little trick that you can use, and I'm going to show you now the opposite. So now, because we're in this uptrend, now we can do the opposite with the downtrend. If you need a broker to sign up with, I highly recommend using Henko Trade. They have up to 500 leverage and spreads as low as 0 pips. Open an account with them today. Use my link below. It's really fast. You can fund your account with crypto. Sign up using my link down below. Now, as you can see, price wasn't strong enough to break. So now we're going to look at the opposite. So when I'm looking at the opposite, we're just going to use greens, because before we were using reds. So once again, here we had the greens here. And if we mark from the top to the bottom there, as we can see, we'll stack this below, and price never broke. So then we move on to the next one, right? And this is how you do it. So then we'll keep marking out these greens, right? Okay, so we have now this green to this green here. And then we mark the top to the bottom, right? Cool. And then we're just going to stack that. As you can see, price is strong enough to break, right? And then pull back into the zone. So like I said, enter there, have a nice little stop above, and you could take a nice little sell. And even if you wanted to, if you missed that entry, as you can see, you can pull it back again, and price once again taps back in there and then goes down. So that's another opportunity to get in. And then it just keeps doing this over and over and over again. So as you can see, here's another example. We mark from the very first one, the very last one, we mark that, and then we'll mark the top candle to the very bottom candle. Now this is our area where price needs to break above, breaks above, comes back into it. We enter when price comes back into our zone, and then as you can see, price continues higher. So yeah, it's super simple, easy trick to use. And this is exactly why momentum is very important to pay attention to when you are trading Forex.